My toddler has been in a mood today, so all I got time for is a 2-minute sleek updo, and this is how I'm gonna do it. Put my hair in a ponytail, pull it through the middle, and then I'm gonna pull it through the middle again, but not all the way through this time. So gonna kind of leave a loop. Then I'm going to spread that hair out and just start pinning. You're gonna pin in any loose hairs, pin it on the sides, and then take the hair underneath and pin it up underneath. This style takes 2 minutes. Very easy, very secure, will last you all day. No curled hair required, no products required, just bobby pins and a ponytail.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Out of your face, try this. Also, if you can't braid, section your front pieces so it comes out right above the ear. Clip that back. Take a finishing cream or some sort of gel, apply it to these front pieces. Take a top section like this and split it in two. Then you're going to twist it. Every time you twist it, you just bring a little bit more hair in the front. And then twist a little bit more, all the way to your ear. Grab 2 bobby pins, it's behind the ear, and you're going to make an X. One going up, other going down. Give your hair a little curl, a little bit of texture spray. It's pretty and easy.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.